everyone, it's Amelia from Polk County Public Libraries, and today I'm going to walk you through making this month's Teen Take and Make kit, which is a washi wooden bracelet. You can pick up your free kit at the Columbus or Saluda Library anytime this month with all of the supplies to make this activity at home. Inside your kit, you have 2 large popsicle sticks, some washi tape, and some twine. And you're going to use all of these materials to make your bracelets. And just in case one bracelet doesn't end up working out, we're going to try to make 2 because we're going to soak our popsicle sticks in water overnight so that they are easily bendable. So that's what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put the popsicle sticks in a large cup of water and let them soak. Next, you're going to soak your popsicle sticks in water. You'll have to let them set 24 to 48 hours before trying the final step where we bend it into the shape of your bracelet. But the best way to do this is either fill a cup of water and put both popsicle sticks down in it and put some type of covering on the top, like aluminum foil or a plastic wrap to hold them down into the water to soak. Or you can fill a plastic bag, maybe even the bag that your Take and Make came in, with water and make sure that both popsicle sticks are covered with water and let them soak overnight. You'll want an adult to supervise you while you do this part of your craft because it is going to require something sharp, like a kitchen knife that has a point on the very end of it. But you take your popsicle stick out of the bag so it's damp, and we're going to put the holes in the end of our bracelet where we're going to tie the twine at the end. So we're going to take our knife, find the end, and you're going to twist it to make the hole. You can see this end worked really well. You can see where the hole has started, and that's where I'm going to thread my twine through. On this end, I gave it a try, but I was too close to the end of my popsicle stick, and my popsicle stick snapped. So if that happens, try a hole up towards, try moving your hole up a little bit closer to the top and you should be good. But I think I'm going to try to make that snap even work because I should be able to put the twine maybe through there, but we're going to see what happens at the end. But moving it in closer, or a little bit further away rather, to the end of the popsicle stick is really helpful to get your hole started for putting the twine in at the very end. So this next step is the trickiest, and this is why you have 2 popsicle sticks in your kit, because one of them might break while you're trying this. This is the step where you take the completely soaked popsicle stick out of the bag and you start to shape it into a bracelet. And we're going to use the inside of a cup for that. And you can see I've got my clear cup and I have pushed the wooden popsicle stick that's now flexible, but it's still very, trying to think of the word. Don't try to bend it too quick or it will snap just like a regular popsicle stick that hasn't been soaked in water would. So go ahead and kind of start bending it and push it down into a cup. You're gonna let it completely dry like this so you can sit it out in the sun on a hot day. And when you take it out, it's gonna be the shape that we need to make the rest of your bracelet. If the first popsicle stick worked, go ahead and try the second popsicle stick and you might end up with 2 bracelets at the end of this craft.